How to check for malware on your site on WordPress. The best time to scan your WordPress site for malware and malicious code is now. Many users don't notice anything until it is a bit too late, and your site reputation is affected. Even if your WordPress site is not hacked or affected, you should still learn how to scan your WordPress site for malicious code. It will help you protect your website against future attacks. For this, we will have to install a plugin that will check our site for security issues. So first of all, open your browser and enter into WordPress administration panel. Write your domain /wp-admin and log in with your username and password. On the administration panel, go with the mouse over plugins and then add new. On the search from the right, write WordFence. When you find the plugin WordFence Security, click on Install Now. Click Activate. You will be guided to activate the plugin. In this video, I will show you the basic setup and the scanning process. Write your email here. You can click yes or no, what you want. Agree with terms of service and click Continue. Now you can buy a premium license key, or you can use the free version of WordFence. I will use the free version, so I will click on No Thanks. You have installed now the plugin you need to scan your site for malware. Go with the mouse over WordFence on the left menu and click on Scan. You will get a short tutorial here. Read all of this info and click Next until you finish this. Now click Start New Scan. A scan will start. I will fast forward the scanning process. You will get a recommendation after the scan. If the system does not find any issues, then you probably have a clean site. If you get different warnings like updating a plugin, it's better to take those pieces of advice into account. Tell me in the comments what did the scanner return for you, and I will try to help you as much as I can. Or I can make a video to share the knowledge. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.